whip, body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci?
Good morning. We're getting coffee right now.
I'm gonna have matcha for the first time.
Matcha and coffee. Because you know me, wherever we go, I have to get coffee. So that's what we're doing right now. And we woke up super early because there's a time difference. I don't know where I'm going.
think that matters, man. Because I feel like 6 hours should be 6 hours regardless. Actually, it was 6 hours. Actually, that makes sense.
Yeah, I woke up super early.
I don't know what it is.
But yeah, we're the one that we're trying out. Do you know where we're going? Because I'm just following you.
Oh,
okay.
you are?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm just
I'm a woman, I'm a motherfucker, but they got a problem. Put some babies in your life and take away the drama. Put the paper in the picture like a diorama. Gotta face a lot of people that are opposite. Cause the world told me we ain't got that common sense. Gotta prove it to myself that I'm on top of shit. And you would never know a guy without the goddess is honest as fucking honest. Kidding, I could be on everything. I mean, I could be the leader, head of all the states. I could smile and jiggle it till his pockets empty. I could be the CEO just like a Robin Fenty.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so good. 10 out of 10 recommend. The line was long. It's a popular place. It is overpriced for a latte. It was like $7. But I already knew what to expect because it is like a more shopping center touristy area. So I wasn't expecting for it to be anything less, but snap.
I feel like a whale most of the time for that.
No,
Oh, no,
you
you
actually
look
really look good.
beautiful.
That was such a good compliment.
Oh, she looks good.
She does.
Like, she's pregnant.
What would you rate yours? Oh, you didn't try it yet.
I have it. I got 2 because I didn't
Wait,
know
which
if this
one
one
is
was
that?
gonna be good.
That's the ice cream one?
I was so close to saying it. I was like, I'm gonna get it wrong, but it's called the Makiah.
Oh, okay.
It has ice cream in it.
Okay, so it is the ice cream coffee one.
Yeah, I'm not really sure what this black stuff is. I'm gonna try the
Sesame?
matcha first.
I don't
Sesame?
know.
Yeah.
Maybe not, because that looks different.
Yeah, it's black. Could be rocks for all I know.
So this one was the
that messed me up.
island coffee. It has oat milk and then coconut and macadamia flavor.
I got the premium matcha coffee with
matcha.
oat milk. This is my first time trying it.
Dun dun dun. You just gotta
Is
let
it
it sink in.
plant-based?
Yeah, I mean matcha is a tea. It's like a green tea.
Makes sense. I can taste it. It tastes like my my plant-based protein.
Tastes earthy, huh?
Yes, it tastes very earthy. Like I can tell it's just.
What kind of milk did you get it with? You
Oat.
said macadamia?
No,
Or
oat.
oat?
I can't.
I gave mine a 10 out of 10. It was really good.
You give yours a 10 out. Well, I can't really compare mine. This is the
Because
first
it's
time I
first,
had it.
yeah.
But it's not bad though. But it's one of those acquired tastes.
Yeah.
Let's
Oh, now
try
you're
the
gonna try that
second
one,
one.
yeah.
I gotta mix it up.
It is a bit sweet though. Normally I wouldn't take my coffee this sweet, but I wanted to see how they did it.
I only take coffee sweet.
Like I would normally, oh, sorry, that's
Sorry, yeah, that's fine.
I tried to work through it. But normally I would ask for like light sweetness, but I don't know how much pumps of whatever they put in.
I think they put whatever. I think they put honey on the bottom, honey on the top, ice cream in the middle. Nice and sweet. Sorry. It's just, it's not, the ice cream isn't going anywhere. Okay,
Ooh, I didn't even
ready?
see the view.
And, ooh,
That looks
this
good.
is fire.
It looks good.
This is fire. Everybody get this. Has ice cream in it.
So yeah, if you're in
Lahaina.
Yeah, so we're technically still in Lahaina, right? Okay.
I think.
Come to Waterfall.
Whales, just.
I can't pronounce nothing out here, guys. I'm sorry.
Wait. You think it's actually called Wales, or does it have like an accent to it?
Was it Wales? I thought it was something else that you
I
said.
can't really see.
But this is a little
Whalers?
shopping. Oh, Whalers.
Whalers Village.
So Whalers Village, this is where it's at. Get either the island latte or the whatever.
The Mauna Kea.
Mauna Kea.
The Mauna Kea. They, you know that little thing they have in like their throat?
Like
like Mauna. I don't know. They can just say it different. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this first.
Told you to put them jeans on. Double cup love, you the one I lean on. Feeling for a fix, then you should really get your fiend on. Yeah, just know my condo is the crack spot. Every single show she out there repping like a mascot. Get it from the back and make your fucking bra strap pop. All up in your slot till the nigga hit the jackpot. You all I ever wanted, he can do it.
Okay. Alright, we got our coffee, a little breakfast, chilling right now.
Well, shit,
And then we're gonna get ready to go on our hike in a bit. So right now we're just kind of getting ready.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy it. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it that high. Hey. 4L steps in, stepping on shit till it's quiet. He brought me the moon, stood up. I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open the safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace a frank. Purr. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the night. Breaking and bending the spine. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had to listen to signs. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, we go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Hold up, 21, hold up, 21, hold up, 21. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on it?
Check.